मातशें पब्लिसिटी करपा जाय. Madam, what is the problem we are facing is mini buses, city buses, they wait for the trains near Mandava Kapat, that road going to the railway station.
Okay.
They make their congestion. So we have submitted at least 15-16 reports for cancellation of suspension of permits.
And they fall down.
Madam, if they sleep on the
Age of the आप वो देखिए.
See, we are traveling by car.
If you result my way,
First you
then you
listen,
take whatever your action you take. If you want to
आपको
ask
उधर
me,
आपको उधर जाकर वो औरत
नहीं,
लोगों
see,
को और बच्चों
you-
लोगों को देखना चाहिए. Then you will speak what you are speaking.
Let him
Let us have
complete.
to-
We'll say let
let
him.
him give his
Sir, madam, that tender was awarded. I started in the month of August.
Okay.
It was filed
Which
out
August? This
in the
August
month
or
of
last August?
in the month of November.
Last
I am
November. Okay.
in the month of November. I started work on the August 1st. In the month of November, it is panel zone.
Okay.
By that time, I started my work and I erected my pillars. After that, it was closed. No proper decision was received from anybody. I am helpless. Even though I put my best efforts and done something, even though it is not good, also we done it. If decision has to come from government, what I have to do? The pillars I have to remove or not? The decision was not done. If the pillars are removed, then what I have to do for the road?
We want a one service road. See,
It's not about the pillars. What
they
they
are
are
asking,
what they are
I understand, sir. Not only pillars, sir. Whatever I done, patch up work, that is not good. I know. For that also, I need decision.
Madam, we want proper service road.
service road only.
So,
Service road is not there.
and
Only
traffic.
one
There is no service.
And traffic wardens or whatever they call them to manage the traffic.
There are no boards
They
there.
are asking
He has
for
put
traffic
one
cell.
ribbon there and kept there. They are exactly in the Dabolim junction. If somebody goes and bangs there at night, there 5-6 लोग मर जाएगा उधर.
Misunderstood, you just
I will take
Madam,
Madam,
they-
Goa
Madam,
had written a letter, that's how the boards came there. They had not even have boards there,
Madam,
safety
you
boards.
see, you go through IRC manual, everything is there. They are telling us, they are not telling us. Tricks of trade. Our tricks we will not disclose. So they know what are the precautions to be taken, what is the service road, how it is to be prepared, what is the length, what is the height, everything is
The only
there.
request
So,
is the
so,
road
so,
should be
so what I
monitored.
request to collector is let collector ask
Let them
report from project
Let
director.
them
that
follow
everything is
Pororim
compliant.
style of working where the bridges were done, man, and it was done in a very systematic manner. CCTVs were put, roads were managed. There was a laid down ambulance kept there. Everything he has to do.
Only after High Court intervention.
Nothing is kept there. There has to be a camp there. Campsite has to be there. They have to go and monitor. If there is some problem, they have to contact the local traffic police. Nothing is done. Barricading has to be done. There has to be sheets put there. Boards have to be put there. Directions have to be there. What is
But
it?
High Court direction in Pororim are applicable to this side also. It is not that we have to
Yeah,
again
every
go to the
time
High
go to
Court.
court.
They are
उधर
general
जाकर आप
direction.
देखिए पोरोरिम का ब्रिज उसने कैसा बंदा है और कितना बड़ा स्ट्रेच किया है. He has taken care of everything. Why you all cannot do it here?
That traffic is twofold compared to this road.
Red alert would happen, red alert, that the rains would come 15. But they
You
came
have to
early
be prepared
and
for
all these
everything.
heavy rains.
What
That's
I'm
why
talking
we-
is not just for you, Mr. Gupta. I'm talking also generally about all PWD. We have such fantastic engineers. We
History analysis of all Goa police station violence.
okay. Yeah.
All everything is there. Challans, everything is there.
So otherwise, what happens? People who don't really know balance and the police can't करना. Drunken driving.
There are
Information.
10,000 bar and restaurants. For the year 2025 till July 31st, South Goa traffic, South Goa accident scenario is we are this year minus 14% in fatalities. So fatalities are by number minus 17 compared to last year for the same period. And total accidents are also minus 60 in numbers. And previous accidents are also minus 19 by numbers. So our annual target we have set is 20% reduction in fatal accidents and previous accidents. So we are basically focusing on accidents which are fatal in nature, and there are 4 types of offences which cause fatal accidents in most of the cases. One is overspeeding, second is alcohol, driving, drunken driving. Third is without helmet, and fourth is not using a seat belt. So this year we have total booked 7,360 overspeeding cases in South Goa. And alcohol, drunken driving 1,537. Without helmet 11,995. And without seat belt 1,323. So because of this enforcement, we expect further to reduce the fatal accidents, because if person wears a helmet or seat belt, there is less chance of fatality. Plus, above than that, for modified silencers also, we have booked 200 cases as of now in South Goa, and we will start enforcing it also in a larger manner.
I'm Lorna from Goa Camp. Today was the South Goa District Road Safety Committee meeting, which took a review of all the points that were discussed before, and I have placed some new points on record today, that there are still people riding bikes with fake helmets or no helmets. So the fake helmets need to be removed from the market. So I've said that a special meeting needs to be called of all the relevant agencies like the Transport Department, the local police, the BIS Bureau of Indian Standards. They have to be called from Hubli because they are the ones that have put out the notification that nobody can manufacture, store or sell non-ISI mark helmets. So that I have placed on record that that meeting needs to be called. Another meeting needs to be called with regards to the railway authorities and the airport authorities, so that road safety messages can also be put out in these areas like the railway stations, even at the airport, so that the road safety messages can reach out to many people. We have brought out the issue also of the flyover which has been proposed from Verna to Pirni, where it's the blockages are sought to be removed from the black spots from Verna, but then they will all come down to Pirni. So we have asked them to place their decisions of what they are taking up on that flyover, and the PWD will call a special meeting so that they tell us about what's happening with regards to that. Also, the State Road Safety Week dates have been declared, which is going to be from the 8th of September to the 14th of September. And all the departments are requested to join in the road safety activities that will take place. The PWD also has been asked now. Ganesh Utsav also is coming. So people can put out the road safety messages in those places as well as, during that week. So Transport Department is drawing up a detailed plan for that. So that will be put out as soon as the plan is in place. I have also brought out the issue of we need signal lights from that Nuven junction coming out onto the bypass. Because if you notice, there is no signal lights. Everyone is trying to get into each other's way. So the PWD has mentioned that they have got some proposal in place. So we have asked them to place it on record, whatever that proposal is. Another thing that I brought out was that we are noticing or getting complaints increasingly about modified silencers on bikes and cars that are happening, especially in the town of Margam, but I think it's happening whole of South Goa. Complaints we have received is mainly from Margam, and that strict action needs to be taken as per the acts and rules which are there, and this nuisance needs to be, let us not wait for somebody to die because they are riding very fast and negligently through our internal roads and things like that. So I've placed that on record. Another thing that I have said is that I have noticed that lots of trucks are being parked onto the road from Naveli to Kunkoling. I'm sure it's happening elsewhere also because these trucks have nowhere to park. So even asking them to move, where do you tell them to move? So this point has been placed on record again today to say that solutions need to come from whoever it is. So that's all the points that I raised.